Today is a WDSU first warning weather alert day. Tomorrow is as well because of the dangerous heat that continues to grip us here in southeast Louisiana. Still at this hour, look at the feel like temperatures. Many spots between 102 and 110. Hammond right now leading the board at 109. The afternoon heat index. There are some spots, though, that are a bit more bearable in the upper 90s, if you want to call that some of the relief. Amite right now, 97 is the feel-like temperature. That is because of some nearby thunderstorms that are impacting parts of the North Shore. So that's why I always say this time of year, you kind of have to pick your poison in southeast Louisiana, either dealing with the extreme heat or the daily afternoon thunderstorms. Today, we did have a smattering of showers and storms. Much of the rain has diminished on the South Shore, but in Tangipahoa Parish, still looking at a special weather statement for parts of the 55 corridor from Independence to Laranja, moving towards the south and west. So heads up if you're watching from Natalbany towards Tickfaw. This storm, if it holds together, could have winds 35 to 40 miles per hour and also some brief lightning that could be that quick kind of cloud to ground lightning that can be dangerous at times. Heat index values today and tomorrow for all of the areas highlighted in pink. 105 to 115. When we factor in the heat and the humidity, that's when these type of values can become dangerous. So stay alert tomorrow with as much AC as possible. I know for all my folks that work outdoors this time of year, you got to take a lot of breaks in the AC, drink lots of water. It's very easy to become disoriented and dehydrated if you're spending a lot of time outdoors in the peak heating of the day. The one thing that could cut back on the heat again tomorrow and for much of this week is spotty summertime thunderstorms. High pressure is basically directly overhead right now. It's beginning to move its way a little bit towards the west. As that happens, we're going to see a slight bump up in our atmospheric moisture content. It's subtle, but it's enough that I think daily opportunities for spotty storms. Tomorrow in the afternoon, I've got rain chance at about 30%. This particular forecast model gives us a slightly better opportunity for showers and storms Wednesday afternoon. Basically every single day we'll have a little bit of an opportunity in the afternoon hours for some isolated pop-up storms. I think better rain chances look to arrive late week and into the weekend. Rainfall amounts generally a ½ inch to an 1.5 inches over the next 7 days. In the tropics, no development expected over the next 7 days. We've got an alert day posted tomorrow. Impact days for heat both Wednesday and Thursday with highs staying in the mid-90s.
All right, Scott, thank you so much.